Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Cadillac SRX key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any small parts. Having the correct battery, a 3-volt CR 2032, is crucial for proper function. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once it starts to separate, you can gently pull the halves apart by hand. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new 3-volt CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, including some fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below for links. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.